everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes G-Wagon. It's a G500 and I'm having an issue that on my cluster panel it shows that the rear lamp has gone bad. So I'm going to check. If the bulb gone bad, then we're going to change it. So let's get started. I will show you on my cluster panel what message I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing right at the moment. If I turn the signal on and if you look at it's flashing really fast. It's blinking too fast. So this is the comparison. The right signal blinking normal, and as soon as we do the left side, it's blinking too fast. The cluster panel, it shows one malfunction. As we seen on the cluster panel, the lamp on the left is bad. We're going to open it and it has the two screws which are Phillips. So we're going to use Phillips screwdriver and we're going to open it. So this is how it opens. And these are the bulb. This is a signal light. After checking the bulb, they look all fine. I don't see anything burned out. All the connections are fine. Something wrong with the bulb. It's telling me that this one is bad on cluster panel. So I took this bulb and I put it on the other side and that worked fine. Just to make sure, I put it back again. Now it went back on a cluster panel and it was working fine. So if I look at right now, if I open it and it works. So as you can see, it's working. Before it was telling me that it's not working. Only thing I can think of, maybe the moisture, because it's been raining for a few days here, and maybe that moisture caused some issue or something. But if I inspect closely the rubber seal, they look all fine. I don't see any indication of water. Maybe just a glitch. So I just wanted to share with you that it's not that your bulb gone bad. This is how you can change the bulbs on your brake light or signal light. It's very easy and simple. I hope this video will help you out if you have this issue and you can fix it yourself. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. To put it back is very simple. We're just going to put it back in, and these are the screws. We're going to just tighten it. Just make sure that one tip, that when you're using a drill, don't over tighten it. So that's it.